Good morning, my name is Alfredo Borroto and I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of our app, No Wealth. As you can see, this is the login page. You have a couple options here. You can enter your user ID or password and then hit sign in to go straight to your main dashboard. Or if you don't have an account, you can come down here and you can click don't have an account, sign up, and this is going to take you to a page where you can create your account. You can create your account by entering your full name, create a user ID, and then create a password. If you do remember you have an account, you can come back down here and just click back to take you to the main login where you can use your credentials to sign in. But we don't have an account, so let's create one real quick. Let's hit sign up, and then it's gonna start the creation process for your account. So on the screen, you can enter your bills due dates by clicking the add button, or you can skip it altogether if you don't want to add any bill due dates. Let's add some. Click this drop down real quick. You got a few options you can pick from. We're just gonna select water as an example, and then my water bill is due on every second day of every month. So we're just gonna click that and click the plus button right here to add it to our list of bills. Now, once you have a list of bills created, you can see the type of the bill and you can see the dates that they are due. To edit them, you can click the X button right here and you can delete a bill if you change your mind. Once you get a list of bills, you can click the next button down here. It's going to take you to the next page where you can add your monthly subscriptions. It will take you through a similar process. Once you click the add button, you can type in the nickname of your subscription, and then again you can pick a due date, and clicking the plus button here is gonna take you to a list of your subscriptions. Once you're done with the screen, you can click next. This is going to take you to the last processing screen where you can add your credit card due dates. It's going to take you to a really similar process. You can make your nickname and select the due date again and add your due dates for your credit cards. Once you're done on the screen, you can click the next button and it's going to take you to your main dashboard. You're gonna be greeted by a personalized name. You'll be able to see your date up here, and then on the screen you can also find the weekly due dates. And if you have any expenses already added, you can see if they are over budget on the screen. Now, to add more expenses, you just click this button, and it's gonna take you to a process to add expenses. You have a few options to choose from: groceries, food or drinks, restaurants, shopping, entertainment, etc. Just hit the food and let's add $14.95 for lunch. And these are my expenses. Now let's go back to the dashboard and let's go to the next screen using the navigation bar on the bottom. This is going to take you to a monthly expenses visual. You can see the amount of the expenses you have this month. If you want to see a history of past months, you can select a month from this drop down, and this is going to have a total of expenses for this month. I know the number is not accurate when you add all these, but just bear with me. This is just a mock-up. Now, if you want to add a budget for these expenses, you can do so by clicking the add budget button down here, and it's going to take you to a screen. You get to choose your expense you want to keep budget on. Put the amount of your budget down here, click the add button and create a budget. If your expense ever go over the budget, it will show up on on the dashboard screen on this section right here. On the next screen, you can find a monthly visual of the month where you can see the upcoming due dates marked by a dot underneath the date. And if you click on a date, it will show you what's due on that day. If you got multiple things due on the same day, that will show up in the list down here. Up here, you can see the hamburger icon. You have a menu you can utilize to access your screens quickly. If you want to change anything in your account, you can click the account button, and it's going to take you where you can update your name, your user ID, or change your password. You also have bill subscription, credit cards, and budgets in case you would like to edit or delete a bill or add it from here. You got also notifications on the bottom. On the bottom of the list, this is going to allow you to allow notifications from your phone up to 4 days before your due date. That way you're up to date and you have a quick reminder that you have a bill due. Once you're done with these, you can hit apply and you can close the menu and it will take you back to your dashboard. This is just a quick mock-up of our upcoming app. Stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching.